There is one animal that will stand by you, no matter what, the dog. For thousands of years, dogs have lived alongside humans. They protect, guide, and stay loyal even in the hardest times. Dogs are known to wait for their owners for days, even years. Their loyalty is not based on conditions. It is unconditional. Dogs can understand commands, emotions, and even human moods. They can sense danger, fear, and happiness. From guarding homes to saving lives, dogs have proven their bravery again and again. They will risk their lives to protect the people they love. Loyal, intelligent, and fearless, the dog is truly one of the greatest companions on earth. This is Ancient and Wild, where we explore the power and nature of animals. Follow for more.